Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Josie Bunn and I make fashion and DIY content here on the internet. And today I figured I would do a really easy video on how to style a simple white graphic t-shirt. So I figured everyone, no matter like what economic status you are or where you live or what kind of climate you live in, anything like that, I feel like everyone has like a white t-shirt of some kind. I feel like it is a pretty universal thing that we all have in our wardrobes, and sometimes we have multiples of them. For the sake of this video, I will just be styling this one t-shirt. And just to tell you a little bit about this t-shirt, it is just a basic men's white t-shirt. It is a hand-me-down from my dad, so it's probably vintage. I haven't been able to find this exact shirt on the internet. I will have a bunch of links to similar items to the things that I'm wearing in this video. However, I do want to just put in a disclaimer. 90% of my wardrobe at this point is thrifted. So some of the links down below are going to be links to fast fashion retailer sites. However, I do recommend, if you have an in-person thrift store near you, or if you have access to things like online thrift stores, Poshmark, ThredUp, Depop, I have found the same items that I'm about to show you on those websites, but I don't link those links specifically because they only sell, like, it's independent vendors, so one person is selling one piece in one size, so it's not really helpful for me to put those links. But I am just letting you know at the beginning of this video, if you like a piece that I'm wearing, I've put all the original brand names down below, and everything has a description of what it is. You can just copy and paste that. It has all the keywords in it for like Depop, Poshmark, or ThredUp, so put those into those search engines and you should be able to find the exact piece, hopefully in your size. If not, I have put links to not quite the same but similar items, similar enough that I figured I might as well link it. There are some items that aren't exact dupes, but I mean, what are you gonna do? A lot of this is thrifted and vintage. So that being said, all of that out of the way, this is how I would style a t-shirt in 5 different ways. If this video does well, or if you guys comment down below and let me know if you want more ways to style t-shirts, I definitely can. Whether you want me to style this one again or a different one, I have a very vast t-shirt collection, and I'm always kind of looking for new ways to style them because I feel like it's one of those things that we default to, like, I'm gonna wear a t-shirt, jean, and sneakers and walk out of the house, and that's totally fine and good and dandy. That's fashionable enough. But I think with the right combination of items and like different textures, different materials, things like that, you can really kind of play it up and make it sort of a more special outfit and not so basic. I don't know, I hate that word, but whatever. I figure I should kind of talk about what I currently have on because that's kind of part of this video, right? So I've got these really fun, dangly little chain earrings here. They're gold. They're from a vintage store. I actually just picked these up. Catch these on a TikTok haul once I film that. And this little beanie I think is actually from Five Below because I refuse to pay more than like $3 for a beanie. That seems ridiculous to me. So I just picked this one up. I like it. It's just a nice beige one. And then for bottoms, I just have some basic biker shorts. So if you are interested in that outfit, there you go. That's the look. All right, so starting off the video, I have got this amazing outfit. I really shouldn't put this one first because it is my favorite outfit that I'm gonna show you guys today, but I mean, it's just so good I couldn't not show you first. So this is so obviously the base of this outfit is the t-shirt. That's going to be the same in literally every single outfit, so obviously. And then I've got some really fun stacked gold jewelry. All of my jewelry at this point in life is either so old I don't remember where I got it, or it's a hand-me-down inheritance thing, or I got it from a thrift shop. So if you ever ask me where I get my gold jewelry, or any jewelry really, it's usually like flea market, thrift store, or like it's my grandmother's, you know what I mean? And now the 2 statement pieces of this outfit are this amazing denim zebra print skirt. It's a little distressed on the bottom. It's got a raw hemline, so you do see some of those strings coming off of it. It is by the brand Tosca, and I did actually go on their website. It doesn't look like they actually carry this anymore, but Zara had a very similar skirt on sale, so you can find that one on Poshmark, ThredUp, Depop, all of those things. I did link a similar one. The only other brand I saw that carried something similar was Shein, but I didn't want to link that one just because personally, I don't shop at Shein anymore. I know I used to shop at Shein like when I was younger and didn't really know any better and didn't have a lot of money. So I definitely have shopped at Shein before, and I will thrift Shein items if I like the items, if I find them at the thrift store. So if you want to search secondhand for Shein, or if you have no other options other than Shein, just know that they do have a similar skirt on their website, but I can't vouch for the quality of it because I do not own it. I could have chosen a more basic shoe, but of course I didn't. I went with these amazing, oh my god, these amazing Azalea Wang suede, they're faux suede, thigh-high belted boots. Guys, I can't. These are so fantastic. They're comfortable, which is really important, especially right now for me with my current issues. So I have a bad back. Again, I'm going to talk about it in another video, but just so you guys know, like, these are super comfortable. Okay, so it has come to my attention with the second outfit that I made a comment about looking like a rock star. And I feel like this is something that is going to carry on throughout the video. These are all very rock star inspired outfits, in my opinion. So I guess that's the theme. How to wear a t-shirt like a rock star by Josie Ben. So this next outfit is a little simpler and a little more understated than the last one. I have got obviously the same t-shirt. I have actually some different jewelry for this one. So for this one, I have on a pair of leopard print. They're almost like a cardstock material. They're like cardboard almost, but they've got like almost like a faux velvet feel to them around the hoop. And it is in a leopard print, which I really like. And I think this would look absolutely bomb with a red lip. Just saying, I didn't wear one for the try on, but it would look really good. And I have on this really fun mesh under bust corset. So it is actually from like a Lover's Lane or something around my area, and I loved it. And I thought, you know what I'm gonna do with this? I'm gonna wear this over my clothes because it's expensive, and why would I want to hide it? So here's how I would style it with a t-shirt. And I would style this with any t-shirt that I own, like a plain tee, a band tee, black tee, white tee, any color tee underneath I think would look so cool. With this patterned, I think would look really cool because the pattern would show underneath the mesh. With that, I have on some amazing 80s leather pants by the brand Massini. I'm pretty sure I'm pronouncing that right. But again, I found a ton of these on like Poshmark and Depop and ThredUp when I was searching for similar products to link in the description. So I would check there first, see if they have your size, because you could get this exact pair of trousers. And if you are familiar to my channel, I have worn these in pretty much every styling video because they are so comfortable. They fit so nicely. They're a tiny bit big, but let's be honest, that's kind of fun in a vintage leather pant to have like sort of that slouchy wide leg look. I definitely like this outfit because it is sort of in a similar vein to like the jeans and a t-shirt, but like just subbing out jeans for leather pants and subbing out sneakers for just a pair of heels. I think it's a really easy way to pair a t-shirt with some like edgier items and make it look just a little cooler. And I definitely like the contrast of like the white against all the black, and then I also really like the pops of red in the shirt with the black. I think that looks really cool and kind of badass, so honestly I'm a big fan. I feel like a character from Charmed would wear this, and that is kind of my entire personality because I grew up watching Charmed with my mom. It's the same t-shirt, and then over top of it I've paired a jacket that I actually thrifted on this channel. I will go ahead and link that video if I can find it in the cards and in the description. It is a fun video. I really loved finding this jacket in the thrift store. It's a cropped brown 90s faux fur coat, and the fact that it's cropped is really my favorite part about it. I have a ton of full length or even like full body length fur coats from the thrift store, so I picked this one in a brown and I paired that with another bag that I actually just thrifted for you guys on this channel. It's the brown Topshop, like duo-toned snakeskin print bag. I love this because I like that the gold chain sort of acts as a piece of body jewelry when you put it across your shoulder. I like that it's a crossbody envelope bag, so I don't have to hold it like a clutch all the time. So I did pair those two together. This is a pair of distressed black bell-bottom pants, and I really love these. These are really comfortable because they're that sort of faux stretchy denim. They're not actually the real structured denim, which is a pro and a con. I don't usually like stretchy denim, to be honest, anymore. I think that it wears out too quickly, and you know, it doesn't last as long as structured denim, even though it might be a little more comfortable to wear. I will say it's fine to have a stretchy piece of denim in my closet. I have a couple of them. I just don't love going to those pieces because I know that they don't last forever, and I honestly hate buying new jeans, so I don't like to have those in my collection because I know at one point I'm gonna have to replace them. But this is a pair from Francesca's, which is a small like boutique-y type store. I bought these on like clearance, so they'd already been on sale and then they marked them down even further. So I got these pants for like $13, which is insane to me because I think they were originally marked at like $50 something. So I was really thrilled about the price on these, especially for a pair of like specialty jeans. They did have that weird chemical dye smell to them, and I haven't quite gotten it out with vinegar yet, so I'm still trying. But I did really like how they paired with this look, and so I did keep them in the video because as stinky as they kind of are, I still love them. Oh my god, I'm so embarrassed. This fourth look, I think, is the one that might get roasted a little bit the most because it is a little bit funkier in terms of like what I've paired it with. It's definitely weird, but that's kind of what I like about it. So I've paired it with this really fun silk look black and white floral skirt. Really like this. This was originally from Forever 21. This was like years ago that I got this. I don't even remember what year I got this. It was so long ago. I like worked at a mall and I saw this skirt in the window, and so I went in and I got it. But it's got a cute little slit up the thigh, which I thought was cute. I like that it's a mini skirt. It fits really well. I believe this is a size large. And I don't know, I really like it. I think it pairs really cutely. It's more feminine, so I think it contrasts well with the sort of more masculine energy that this t-shirt carries, coming from my father. And then with that, keeping with the like, let's pair this down with some more feminine items. I've got this really funky, vintage, very 80s, hot pink, genuine leather jacket with like, it's supposed to like come all the way over, but I didn't want to close it because the point of this video is to show off the t-shirt, so I did leave it open, though I'm not really sure I like how this jacket looks open. You guys are gonna have to let me know in the comments below if you vibe with it, because I was vibing with it when I was filming this, and now that I'm editing it, I'm like, I don't know how I feel about it open, but I did really like how the colors paired, and then I paired it because I had hot pink on. I was like, perfect opportunity to wear my new thrifted vintage Lord & Taylor rainbow beaded bag, and boy did I absolutely love how this looked together. I really enjoyed how like the hot pink beads and the gold and all of the colors paired with the hot pink of the jacket, and then the red in the shirt and the gold in the jewelry, and just it all paired together really, really well. So I did really enjoy how this outfit came out. I might want to pair it with a different jacket next time, or like a hot pink blazer, or maybe like an orange blazer or something like that. But I think it looks really fun with bright poppy colors, just as much as it looked good with like an all black outfit. I think that is a really, I mean, I don't know, I'm showing you how versatile this t-shirt is, man. It's so good. I know I said the first outfit in this video was my favorite, but this would probably be the second favorite in this video, and they both include bright poppy reds. So I don't know if I just really like the color red on myself, or if I just really liked these two pieces that happen to be in my wardrobe, but this last outfit is fantastic. This is, again, jeans and a t-shirt, but just a little bit elevated. So I really love this look because it is so comfortable to wear, especially for the winter time. I tried to give like a variation of like, you can wear this in cooler weather, this is for warmer weather, because I personally am in the midst of a blizzard. So for me, it's really important that things are warm and cozy right now. So this outfit definitely fits both of those bills because I have included an amazing and really, really warm vintage Wilson's leather red blazer, and it's like this cherry fire engine red color, and I'm absolutely in love with it. This was inherited from my mother. She passed it down to me, so I have a little bit of my dad and a little bit of my mom in this outfit. And then underneath that, I have got this amazing mauve, like, lingerie bodysuit, of course, paired over the t-shirt so that you can see it. And I love how this pairs with pink. I think it looks really nice. And this would actually be really cute for, like, Valentine's Day. I don't know. Maybe this was a Valentine's Day video because there's so much lingerie on top of everything. I have always been a fan of pairing t-shirts under bodysuits. I'm a fan of wearing bodysuits so long as, like, everything that needs to be covered is covered out in public, out and about on their own. It's only recently that I've actually started pairing them, like, with other things underneath them, and I do think it looks really fun, and it's a great way to layer without feeling like everything is too bulky, because it's just a bodysuit. It's basically underwear, but it's so pretty and detailed that it's, like, adding so much visual and textural interest to an outfit. So I really do like how that looks. The colors pair nicely, I think, and then with jeans, guys, this outfit is perfect. I love it so much. So I've got these amazing jeans. They are distressed in all the right places. They're like a mom jean. They come up super high. They're super comfortable. They've got a nice amount of stretch, even though they are like a really structured rough denim. So I love that about them. And then I've got them paired with those same black, like Prada inspired chunky Mary Jane heels. And I just think this is such a fun outfit. I think you could pair this with sneakers as well, and it would just still be just as cute. But I don't know, I just absolutely love this so very much. It's one of my favorite outfits, and I definitely will be repeating this to wear actually outside of my home. I would wear any of these out, but just for the sake of filming, I film them all in one day. But this is definitely one I would wear like tomorrow to the grocery store or something, but we're snowed in, so that's not gonna happen. So that is the video. That is everything that I have to show you guys today. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it was a little bit basic, but I think the outfits, that was a sentence. But I think the outfits were pretty unique for what they were, you know, for just styling a t-shirt. I think a lot of people wouldn't pair them with what I've paired them with, and I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, to be honest with you. But I personally really liked all of them, so I hope you guys got some value out of this, and I hope that I've inspired you to sort of shop your closet a little bit. Maybe find a t-shirt in your closet and pair it with something a little bit funky that you didn't think you would wear a t-shirt with, because it can look really great, as I've shown in this video. Definitely let me know what you thought in the comments down below, and I will see you guys in next week's video. Stay well until then. Bye!